So the whole story started with a friend from Lynchburg, Hannah Shepard, who was a high school student.
So I met Ben and his family through just different homeschool circles. So I grew up homeschooled for a little bit, and then I went to high school in Lynchburg.
And then when Hannah went to Virginia Tech, she brought the project and some of the things that Ben was interested in doing to the attention of the group there.
Even when I got to college and was starting to learn how to be a mechanical engineer and what to do, and just developing the heart for people and within biomedical engineering specifically, I just did not want to forget about Ben.
Ben, who's adopted from China, we adopted Ben in 2007, and from birth he had a what they call limb difference, which means that his left arm and hand are different from his right hand and arm. And specifically for Ben, it means that a part of his hand and all of his fingers were not present on his left hand when he was born.
So when the group asked Benjamin what he would like to do, he said he would like to just be able to hold a cup and a plate at the same time.
What he really wanted to do was be able to clear a table and carry both his cup and his plate to the sink.
We heard about Ben and we wanted to jump straight on that, so we've been working with Ben and his family for about 2 years now.
So yeah, QL Plus is a national group for with different branches across different universities where students can be involved in creating assistive devices specifically for disabled veterans, but also additionally for people in the community who just need help physically with any type of device that can be simply made by engineering students at that university.
We looked at a bunch of products that are out on the market and some designs and kind of joined a bunch of those together with things that were feasible for us to manufacture in-house and the ability to give Ben the best experience that he has or that he can have.
Throughout different majors and minors, everybody's kind of come together to impart their little section into this hand.
Yeah, we've got computer engineers, mechanical engineers, biomedical engineers,
Biological systems engineers,
biosystems. We've got a whole bunch of people that are every little tidbit of information, comes together and forms this project. Yeah, so this is the final product. We had Ben come in a couple years ago, and the premise behind this design is we sense the muscles in his arms, and when he flexes, the hand will sort of move back and forth. Okay.
How's it going? Good. This is exciting. You want to try it on?
Yeah, you want to try it on? Sure. Okay, yeah, come on.
So as you take
And flex that muscle, yeah. Might take a little bit.
There's a lot of work to get from the beginning to the end, and so many projects just stop part of the way through, some part of the way through, and people give up. And something that I loved about QL Plus is that people still kept that heart to keep going and to make a difference and not to forget the end goal and ultimately the person that we were helping and making it personal.